Hi, it's Alex here from Default Interactive. This video is a showcase of our prototyping capabilities. We will show you how we solved a variety of issues from initial conception to 3D printing plastic parts to then the final installation. In our office we lack curtains, as when we renovated the room we didn't have the space to install a proper curtain rail. Over the last few years, the lack of curtains has become an issue with the low sun, often at times blinding users near the window. To overcome and solve this issue, we had the idea of utilising the picture rail within the room. Using an offcut, we took a profile of the picture rail by tracing around it. We then scanned this onto the computer. We then imported the profile reference into Fusion 360. From here, we traced around the profile reference using splines to accurately recreate the profile of the picture rail. The rest of the design was then based around this profile. Essentially, we just needed to accommodate a pole that would hold the curtain. After the design was complete, we proceeded to slice and print out our parts. In the end, we ended up creating a modular system that allows the picture rail to accommodate shelving as well. Modular extension pieces can be added to the mounting piece to extend the length of the shelves and allow for multiple shelves. In this demonstration here, you can see a single shelf holding a potted plant. As you can see with the final installation, our office now has a means to block out the harsh sunlight on a late afternoon. Another issue solved was the hassle of storing gaming headphones when not in use. Typically, they would end up on the desk taking up valuable space. So a simple design was created to climb onto the desk and simply hold the headphones when not in use. We quickly came up with a design, and the design was printed and fit on the desk first try. Now the headphones nicely store themselves when not in use. If you require any prototyping, repairs or design work, please contact us now at www.defaultinteractive.co.uk. Thanks for watching.